If you've heard of WhatsApp and you wanted to give it a try, you want to download and install it onto your iPhone or Android and start messaging people immediately, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now on your iPhone, you're going to take your finger and swipe down and type in App Store and tap on the App Store. However, if you're on an Android phone, all you need to do is take your finger and swipe up and then type in the search bar, Play, and then tap on the Play Store. So whether you're on an iPhone or an Android, from here, we're going to tap on search at the bottom right for the iPhone and search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Or on Android, tap on search at the bottom right. And again, tap on search and search for WhatsApp. Now you'll be able to see WhatsApp pops up on here. And if you tap on WhatsApp, you'll see the little cloud icon if you've downloaded this before. Or if you haven't, it will just say the Get button. So tap on the cloud or Get. And from here, it should just start downloading either on your iPhone or Android. Keep in mind, you might need to enter in your password. After it's done doing that, you're going to swipe over until you find WhatsApp in the recently added. Press and hold on it and hit add to home screen. This will add WhatsApp to your home screen. From here, just tap on it to open it up. You can go through the prompts of hitting agree and continue. And then just enter in the phone number for your iPhone or your Android phone, and it will set everything up using your phone number so you can start messaging immediately. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.